Cessna November Juliet, wind estimated 07.
Runway 07, 6 November Juliet.
Runway 07 intersection Delta. Euro 0 Sangster Tower, land up and wait, runway 07. 6 Yankee Juliet November Alpha Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07 intersection Delta. 9223, airborne at 40, contact Sangster radar 120.8, enjoy your flight.
Have a good day, United 223, going to Sangster.
At 15 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07. At 1519er, roger, wind estimated 070 degrees at 18 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Runway 7, United 1519.
So 1800, airborne at 44, contact Sangster radar now 120.8, have a great flight.
1800. On the RMP, runway 07.
052 Heavy, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07, report, bold. United 1519, arrive 52, vacate via taxiway Alpha, request the gate number.
Okay, via Alpha, we're going to gate 4, United 1519.
United 1519, roger, contact Sangster ground now 121.7.
1217, United 1519.
Two Heavy, Sangster Tower, roger, have you in sight, wind estimated 060 degrees at 19 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
07, confident 05.
Condor 052 Heavy, arrived 2003, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact Sangster ground 121.71, clear.
Bravo and ground 121 7 Jet 052.
052 Heavy, requesting a PIREP on ground frequency for the approach. 6 November Juliet, hold short 2007 intersection Delta. Southwest 905, Sangster Tower, wind estimated 060 degrees at 14 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
To report approach 07.
052 Heavy, roger. Contact ground 121.7.
Jet 052. On the downwind, runway 07, with approach.
162 Heavy, Sangster Tower, roger. Proceed to final, your discretion, runway 07, wind estimated 060 degrees at 17 knots.
Condor 162, proceed to final, own discretion, copy, thank you.
Thank you, Juliet. Southwest 905, airborne 06. Contact Sangster radar 120.8. Have a great flight.
Hey, thanks so much. 120 at Southwest 905.
Condor 162 Heavy, wind estimated 060 degrees at 19 knots. Clear to land, runway 07.
162, runway 07, yes to land.
Transat 486, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07, report, bolt. Condor 162 Heavy, arrived 19er, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Contact Sangster ground 121.71, clear, good day.
Condor 162, vacate via Alpha and ground 121.7, good day. Sangster Tower, Transat 46, we just passed the bolt.
Air Transat 486, Sangster Tower, roger. Wind estimated 060 degrees at 19 knots. Clear to land, runway 07.
Check the wind, clear to land 07, Air Transat 486.
86 arrive 23, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.71 clear.
Taxiway Bravo, 1 clear, Transat White 6 on.
Delta 1949er, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07, report, bolt.
Delta 1949.
Can 857, thanks to tower, hold short, runway 07. 1949er, roger, wind estimated 060 degrees at 16 knots, clear to land, runway 07. American 857, line up and wait, runway 07. Delta 1949er, arrive 28, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact Sangster ground 121.71 clear.
Vacate via taxiway Alpha and then 21.7 Delta 1949.
American 857, wind estimated 070 degrees at 17 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
American 857.
Thank you, Julia, November Alpha, Sangster Tower, roger, continue. November Alpha, wind estimated 070 degrees at 18 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Copy doing, clear to land, so Norma Alpha.
American 857, airborne at 30, contact Sangster radar on 120.8, have a great flight.
1208, you have a great day, American 857.